Hello and welcome back. Here we have a vintage Revell 132 scale midget racer in a really interesting key lime green color with a new old stock motor. And as you can see, it has beveled brass Atlas gears, new wheels and tires, the deep guide posts with chromite braids for better conductivity. Lots of good chrome trim, a very interesting piece, wonderful addition to any collection. So let's go ahead, give this a run on the track, take some more pictures, and it'll be available on our store shortly. We'll see you there.